mine too. Okay, today we are going to talk about colloids. Do you know about colloids?
I know, Miss.
Yes, Nurpiana.
Colloids are mixtures that have properties between a homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances.
Yeah. Anything else to add?
Miss.
Yes, Santi.
A colloid is a mixture of two or more substances that are heterogeneous.
Okay, anything else?
Miss.
Yes, Risti.
A colloid system is a mixture from walls that lies between a solution and a substance.
Yes, that's right. So colloid is a mixture is two or more substances mixed together, but not chemically combined. There are three types of mix. There is solution, colloid, and suspension. Okay. Do you know what are example of solution?
Syrup, Miss.
Yes. And then, do you know what are example of colloids?
Milk, Miss.
Yes. And then, what are example of suspension?
Coffee, Miss.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Another example is water and salt, milk, and water and sand. Okay, water and salt mix. When water and salt are mixed, the salt will dissolve and form a salt solution. In a salt solution, the salt is dispersed in the form of very small particles, so it cannot be distinguished from the mediums or homogeneous. And then a mixture of sand and water. When sand and water are mixed, the sand does not dissolve. The sand and water will separate, and this mixture is called a suspension. Suspension are heterogeneous. And then milk and water mix. When instant milk is mixed with water, it turns out the milk will dissolve, but the solution is cloudy. If allowed to stand, this mixture does not separate and then cannot be filtered. Okay. Are there any questions from what I have described?
Miss.
Yes, Santi.
Why doesn't sand dissolve in water?
Okay, good question. Because the dimension of the particle in the sun are larger than water, so the sun can still be filtered. Anything else?
Miss.
Yes, Risti.
What is the difference between colloid suspension?
Okay, good question. Okay, the difference between a suspension and a colloid is the suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of a liquid and a solid dissolved in a liquid, whereas a colloid is a heterogeneous mixture of substances between two or more substances with colloid-sized particle of matter evenly distributed in other substances. Do you understand, Risti?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, anyone can conclude our lesson today?
Miss.
Yes, Nurpiana.
So today's conclusion, I can find out a mixture of three types, namely solution, colloids, and suspensions.
Okay. Anything else?
Miss.
Yes, Santi.
So the conclusion of today's lesson, I can find out different colloids from solution and suspensions.
Okay. Anything else?
Nothing,
Miss. Okay. Very good. So you guys have understood our lesson for today. That's our lesson for today, and see you next time.
See you next time. Thank you, Miss.